appreciate hot flashes. Zap it. Zap it? No, you don't zap it. So they're like, oh, what is that? Okay, scorpions. It brings you'll get one perfect, and then the other side, it'll be like, oh my God, can't you? Why am I talking about eyelashes? But thanks for wearing tiger. The nail art table, which needs to be cleaned up. How to get put together pretty nicely. I like it. Okay, I have to show you. Hold please. I found this dress at Value Village. It's like Goodwill. Okay, is that awesome? So excited. Okay, all right, back to business. So when your brain does a random, oh, really, does it have to be the last one? The last one. She turned herself into a science experiment for a couple of weeks, which I absolutely love. It takes forever to dry. Then I don't know the science. Oh, thanks for all the little hearts, you guys. I must be saying something really good. Wow, I'm all over the place. And where was I going with this? So, it's shocking. Started getting those shredding hangnails that happened because it was eating my skin. It's like watching a lava lamp. See, making a mess. How am I gonna top that? I just gotta. Stamping is a complicated process, and there's a lot of ways it can go wrong. I haven't gotten an oh, you want me to spill? I have new things. I'm not gonna tell you. Oh, just to sort of test the waters and see they are a one-time use. Very careful, because you'll be slippery. The United States. Trust me, there will be pictures. Sarah, young lady, that dress is not appropriate for church. You're right, it's not at church. You guys, I go to bed at 9 o'clock. I'm like, I'm a hand person, so yeah. You need to use that more, my personal opinion. White spots called onycholysis. I don't say that word very much. Acetone. We are so weird, right? You're in Germany. People with shorter nails get a lot more tip wear. These are actually my more dramatic ones. One, you're cutting live skin, which is dumb, because polish doesn't stick to skin. Woohoo, good job me. I remember using cassette tapes. I remember when the internet was invented. Can I stay with you? Oh, thanks for the hearts, you guys. That's so nice. Wow, there's a lot of lies on the internet. We've had long conversations by direct message. Nails can be complicated because we're not all the same. Welcome, welcome. We're gonna get you to be a Blissette. I want you to love your nails. That's my whole objective of everything. Hey everyone! To share with friends, click below. Subscribe now to stay in the know. Kindly comment here. What will you say? And remember, you're awesome and have a blissful day.